Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you my box containing all toxic stuff. There's not everything in there which I have because I can't fit all of my mercury salts into this one box, and I'm soon going to get a professional steel safe, but here it is. We have some mercury 2 bromide, a small bottle of it. I've packed everything in a secondary bag just in case anything breaks. A lot of mercuric chloride, also in another bag. Everything in this box is in another bag. Some mercury sulfide, not as toxic, basically not toxic by any means because, well, mercury sulfide isn't soluble in water, but I still packed it into the toxic stuff box. And besides that, we also have liquids in here. This is the benzyl chloride we made in a previous video, and arsenic trioxide. What I got today by one of you are 2 bottles of dimethyl sulfate. If you're watching this, thanks man, I really appreciate it, and we will be able to use it in a future video. Of course there's more heavy metal salts. This is a container full of lead nitrate. I haven't used it for anything besides making nitrogen dioxide yet. Some lead 2 chloride. And of course there's even more mercury salts in there. This is the mercury 2 oxide we made about 2 days ago. This is a bottle containing 200 grams of lead dioxide. I don't have any ideas, let me know down in the comments what I could do with it. 250 grams of mercury 1 nitrate, mercury imidochloride, and analysis grade mercury 2 oxide. This bag contains 2 manganese salts, anhydrous, manganese 2 sulfate, and manganese 2 chloride whatever hydrate. I made these myself by dissolving manganese metal in the corresponding acid. We also have sodium fluoride, potassium chromate made by myself, and potassium dichromate. A lot of nitrites. This bottle is nearly empty as you can see, but there's more nitrites. Let me show you the next bottle of nitrites. So let me grab it. Oh, it's actually not nitrite, it's boric acid. But of course, yeah, that's the next bottle of nitrite. But not even that is all of the sodium nitrite we have. Something else I haven't done anything with yet is this bottle of sodium methyl arsenate. I don't have any idea what to do with it, but it's an arsenic 5 salt, so why not get it. Titanium tetrachloride we made ourselves, packed into activated charcoal. Lead acetate I made from air, acetic acid, and lead metal. And of course even more stuff. This is nickel 2 chloride, which I also got by one of you. The only thing which isn't in a secondary bag yet is this bag of barium chloride, which I made today to test for sulfates. This bag is especially interesting. In here I have most of my elemental mercury, and everything is vacuum sealed once, twice, or even more. This is 1 kilogram of mercury 2 sulfate. It's not all of the mercury 2 sulfate I have a few more kilograms of it. But this is the most beautiful bottle. And in here we have some chromium trioxide. It's actually a little strange looking, I don't even know why. As you can see, the top layer is a little black. It hasn't been like this when I first bottled it up. If you know what happened to it, let me know down in the comments. It might be from the cap, but I actually don't know. I hope the chromium trioxide is still usable. This is Deniger's reagent, which can be used to test for tertiary alcohols. I filmed it in the past. More sodium nitrite as I promised. And in here we have more than 500 grams of hydrazine sulfate, which I made before the sulfuric acid ban. Of course, hydrazine sulfate also bagged because it's toxic and carcinogenic. This is nickel sulfate. I haven't used it for any chemical experiment yet, but I tried electroplating, but it didn't work out. More sodium nitrite and more mercury salts. Mercury 2 chloride, red mercury 2 iodide, and mercury sulfide. This big container contains 3 kilograms of naturally occurring arsenic sulfide. It looks like we're finished, but we're not. Here we have a big bottle of phenol and more mercury 2 sulfate. The phenol actually looks kind of interesting because it seemed to have sublimated and crystallized on the walls. After making the oxal chloride, we are going to continue with the synthesis of TCPO using this phenol. These are 2 ampules of potassium cyanide, which I made myself. I'm going to finish off the video with this bottle, please. If you know what happened to this chromium trioxide, because it's red at the bottom but black at the top. I don't know what happened. Let me know, please. I want to know. I don't want to have impure chromium trioxide, and I want to know what happened to it. The cap of the bottle is made from polypropylene if this helps. I wish all of you a great day. Until next time.